you how you can create your YouTube channel logo for free, and it takes very less time. All you need to do is visit this website. It's www.renderforest.com. I will put the link in the description so you can visit that website easily. And you need to sign up using your email, and then it will send you an email to verify that it's actually you. Once you verify, then you need to log in to your account, and you can see there are many options to create videos, website, logos, mockups, and design. So under logos, you can select things which you want. In that case, I am selecting gaming. Here it will show you the trending gaming logo, but you can create your own. Just mention your channel's username, like I am entering last fortnight or something like that. uh, you can enter your channel name. I am just testing. Oh no, that's not it. Wait, where's the option again? Here is the option. You have to select that. You can enter your tagline too, like make sure it is short. If you don't enter the tagline, it will work too. Next, you will have to pick up the style which you like. It's only a limited number of styles, but since you are getting it for free, it shouldn't be a problem when you are starting out. After you get big, you can hire someone to make logo for you. But this would work until you are like between 1,000 subscribers. So I will select, I don't know, I will select this one, I think. Click on next. It's giving me some really interesting designs. This one looks sick. You can see it, how it looks on various things like on your merch or something. And you can edit before downloading as well. Let's go with that one. I will show you how it's done. Okay, you have to adjust this thing according to your plan. It's perfect for your merch and stuffs. Choose icon size, and you can choose icon opacity as well. Icon opacity is nothing but like how visible is the icon. And you can choose text size and tagline size. There are multiple options to choose from between colors. Okay, hope this will help you to find your logo. Let me know if you made your logo from this or not, and show me your work by sharing me in on Twitter.